Hello, and so in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to delete Offerup messages. So the first thing you want to do is first pull up the Offerup app, let it load, and then once that's finished loading, you want to go ahead and click on your inbox. And afterwards, what you want to do is that scroll down to the actual message system which you want to delete, and then simply what you do is that you just swipe left and then click on the delete button. And after, if you give it a couple seconds, you should be able to delete it. Another way to delete Offerup messages is to simply click on edit. And then you can also check the box of which messages you want to delete. And afterwards, you could just click on delete. And you'll just let that delete, give it a couple seconds, and so those messages have been deleted. Again, this is a tutorial on how to delete Offerup messages.